Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick brand new project share, something I've never made before. These are actually picture frames I've made from scratch, from our chipboard that we have in our stash. So here's the project. Finally, I hope everyone is doing well. I've got my little 5th grader there. He's no longer a 5th grader. That was the beginning of the year. He's now in 6th grade. I can't believe it. Samson, you're just growing up way too fast. Here are some beautiful little picture frames I made with my Today Paper Pack solids. So you can, again, click the link down in the description if you wanted to kind of check that paper out and see if it's something you want to use. I am just blown away by the way this project turned out. This is something you can make from everything that you already have at home, and I just want to let you know that the tutorial is actually available, and I'll leave the link to it down below as well. So these are 100% chipboard frames wrapped simply. Okay, so this was so fun. It came together in just an hour or two. I have demonstrated in the tutorial how to customize your own size and shape. I know we all have scrap chipboard that we saved and we have no idea what we were gonna do with it. This is what I ended up doing. I love the sturdiness. It's customizable. It hangs flat on the wall and perfectly straight. I'm just amazed, and it can go either way. And they're extremely solid. I don't know if you can hear. Yep. So here's my Today Paper Pack that I created and watercolored and designed, and it's so much fun. Again, the link is down below so you can check it out. So many little fussy cutting fun guys. You can even decorate your frames up however you want. There's tons and bits of pieces. Really big words page with all kinds of fun little doodads here and there, and you can really just do it up any which way that you want. Or you can completely leave it solid like this and decorate on a beautiful scrapbook. You can even use this method and decrease the size here and stick this frame on the front of one of your books. If you don't want to run to the store or you just want to use up your scraps, it is seriously so much fun and satisfying to get these corners nice and, oh my gosh, I had an absolute blast teaching this. I would love to see you over in class, and if you haven't joined our community Facebook group or even on the app, Your Book of Memories app that you can download in the Google Play Store or even in the Apple Store, we would love to see what projects you've been making, and I even have a free class that you can take, and I'll leave the link right up here. Thank you so much for stopping by. We are gonna have a blast with this one. I'll see you over there. Bye.